How to add location on Snapchat filter. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to add location on Snapchat filter, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my settings on my phone. And what you need to do first is to make sure that the location option, that you actually allow Snapchat to know your location to be able to do this function. So basically you need to go into your settings and check that. And when you have checked and everything is okay, then perfect. What I'm going to do now is to go into my Snapchat app. Perfectly. Now when I'm on my Snapchat app, then I'm just going to take a random photo. So I'm going to just take this photo right here. And we can also like play around with different filters here if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. And when you're done, what you need to do later is to click on the emoji symbol in the top right corner. Basically, it's like a pen, and it's like just underneath the pen. So click there. Perfect. And as you can see, there's a couple of options in here. What you need to do now is to click where it says location. Perfect. And in the bottom here you should be able to see your like nearest location on your Snapchat. But if you want to add like a custom location, you can do so as well. Just click where it says search. Great. I'm just going to search for like Los Angeles. Let's say that I'm in Los Angeles right now. So as you can see, I have now added that like location on my Snapchat filter, and I can play around and I can have it like bigger or smaller, as you can see. So this is exactly how to do so basically. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.